Hi, hello, good morning, guten Morgen. Welcome back again to our Driver Time program for the IC channel, the Indonesian channel, for the world to see. Now, I would like to inform you that our destination now is to the West Jakarta. Before I go there, I would like to inform you also, the Jakarta is divided into 5 regions. There are North, South, West, East, and finally in Central Jakarta. Now, we have to go there now, right now. Okay, follow us. Now I'm already in the Jalan Pos Pengumben, the Jalan Raya Pos Pengumben, Pos Pengumben Street. The cloud is not too cloudy. The weather is bright, I guess, not like never before. And now, as usual, in the Jakarta in the morning, the very crowded in here for the commuters work. Oh, you can see we have also the porridge in the street for your breakfast. If you want to have the breakfast, the Indonesian food. Okay, now we are in the front of the durian's house. Who sells the durians? Such as the durian montong or the durian's Musang King. I guess the Musang King of the one famous in the durians variety. It's located in the Jalan Pos Pengumben, Pos Pengumben Street, intersection the light traffic, border of the West Jakarta and South Jakarta. Now we go to the left side to the Jalan Raya Joglo, Joglo Streets in West Jakarta.
I'm Pipit. I'm watching the Indonesia channel in Amsterdam, Netherlands.
Hi, I'm Paul Kitamura and I'm watching the Indonesia channel in Singapore.
Hi, I'm Aryani and I'm watching the Indonesia channel in Melbourne, Australia.
Hi, I'm Handi Kurniawan and I'm watching the Indonesia channel in Hong Kong.
Hi, I'm Khan, and I watch the Indonesia channel here in sunny Tokyo.
Hi, my name is George Wolf, and I watch the Indonesia channel here in Germantown, Maryland.
Hi, I'm Sezai Zorlu, and I watch the Indonesia channel here in Istanbul, Turkey.
Okay, welcome back again. Now I'm already in the Jalan Raya Joglo Street also, the Joglo Raya Street also, to our destination. Now the weather is drizzling, I guess. Okay, now we are in the intersection of the traffic light, the border of the South Jakarta and West Jakarta. If you turn to the left, it's to the South Jakarta, Petukangan. If you want to the right left, to the West Jakarta, Jalan Meruya, Meruya Street, West Jakarta. Now we go to the turn right to the West Jakarta, Meruya. Okay, right now we are already in the Meruya Streets, the botanical residence. Here we are, Puri Botanical. Okay, now we are in the intersection of the Jalan Sabah Street to the left and the go straight to the Jalan Meruya. You can see that if we turn to the left to the Jalan Sabah Street. Oh, see, you have also see the fruit shop here in Jalan Sabah. This one, if you turn to the left, is Sabah Street. Yep. And we go to the right to the Meruya. All right then.
Hi, I'm Chunta Laura Keel, and you're watching the Indonesia Channel for the world to see.
Okay, now we are in the front of the University of the Mercubuana. The University of Mercubuana of the one of the university in the West Jakarta, such as the Indonesia Esa Tunggul, Tarumanagara University, and the Trisakti University, and so on. So we go now. And there are so many cafe or canteen in front of the University of Mercubuana. Yes, like a Kopi Kenangan, Kopi Cafe, which is the students or the college, the University of Mercubuana hang out here to have the food or having a coffee. Okay, we go on right now. There's also Indomaret. So you can see, as what you said, they hang out in here and in front of the Mercubuana University. There's the student of the University Mercubuana. And there is also a futsal. Okay, now we go on to the Jalan Puri Kembangan. Oh, you can see that still crowded in West Jakarta also. There are so many vehicles. So we're still in the Jalan Puri Kembangan to our destination, the West Jakarta Mayor's Administrative Office. Oh, still crowded ya.
The Beleza Permata Hijau, home of the Indonesia Channel.
Okay, now we are still in Puri Kembangan Street. Now in front of you, you can see the Banker Cafe Resto. Here we are. And then we go on again to our destination, to the West Jakarta Mayor's Administrative Office building. Okay, now we are over the bridge. You can see the Kawan Lama building in the right side of you. Okay, now we are in the Puri Kembangan Barat Street. And when we are in the front of the School Notre Dame in West Jakarta, you can see that. Yeah. The Notre Dame School in West Jakarta. Puri Kembangan Barat Raya, Blok M. West Jakarta 11610. Okay, we're gone again. You can see that in the far away, that's the building of the West Jakarta Mayor's Administrative Office building, the blue one. There is also a mosque in front of the Mayor's Administrative Office building, West Jakarta. And close to the West Jakarta Administrative Office building, there is a mall. We call it Lipo Mall Puri. So that's, you can see that, Sogo, Lipo Mall Puri. And also the Hypermart, the right side. Okay, we are already in the front of the Lipo Mall Puri, close to the West Jakarta Mayor's Administrative Office building. Here we are, Lipo Mall Puri. And in front of the Lipo Mall Puri, we also have the McDonald's restaurant. And the chat time silent stop here also in the Lipo Plaza in front of the Lipo Mall Puri. Okay, stay tuned. We will be right back.
We're the world's fourth biggest country, a global export leader, and home to more Muslims than anywhere else.
So you need to know what's going on here in Indonesia. From the capital, Jakarta, we bring you the important news, business, and weather stories in 3 minutes.
And because you're on the go, we deliver it directly to where you are. Watch us on mobile device, computer, or TV.
Indonesia News Break on the hour, every hour.
Okay, now we are in the front of the Puri Mall building. Okay. The weather right now is the drizzling, I guess. Okay, we go now. Yep, okay. As I said, it starts to rain. The weather now in the West Jakarta is drizzling. Now you can see that, that's a blue one building. That is the West Jakarta, the Mayor Administrative Office building, which is the administration, all the administrative in West Jakarta. Yeah, that's one. And for the right side, we have also the Rukan Puri Senaya, Rukan Puri Permata, Indah Mall, West Jakarta. Okay, that's it. We are already in front of the West Jakarta Mayor's Official Administrative. That's one. Yeah. That's a building, the West Jakarta Mayor Administrative Office building. Okay, we go now because of the drizzling weather. And then in front of the Mayor Administrative Office building is the Lipo Mall Puri. You can see that, the green one building. Yeah. And there is also in front of the Mayor Administrative Office building, the Hypermart. Yes, the Hypermart, like a Hero shopping center. Okay, the drizzling already stopped, I guess. Okay, we want to break. We'll break that.
Hello, this is Anggun and you're watching the Indonesia channel, hot programs, cool people.
Okay, now we are in the intersection of between the Puri Market with the Pesanggrahan Street. That's the Puri Market, Pasar Puri. Turn to the right to the Pesanggrahan Street. That's sukses Jakarta, Indonesia, Jakarta Barat. Okay, in here in Pesanggerahan Street, there is also so many cafe and restaurants. Or the cake, bakery and cake, capital, and then bakmi Bintang Gading. What's that? Cuan Tin. Also, we have the Kopi Kenangan, the Padang foods, Indonesian traditional food, sederhana, masakan Padang. And we have also the Ranch Market. We call it like same with the hypermarket and Starbucks also. And then we hang the Chinese restaurant. We hang. And over the beach now. You can see that we offer the bridge in front of the bridge of the Puri apartment. Yes, that is Puri Park View apartment. Oh look, there are so many cafe and restaurant also. Yeah, like a Hokka Bento, Bakmi Siantar Lina, and then the Holland Bakery. Here we are. And Bakpao A1, Claremont, also the Claremont here. Yes, ayam bakar Prima Rasa, ayam goreng Karawaci. Okay, see you soon. See you tomorrow to the next hour journey. Okay, see you tomorrow. Please see to the next hour journey.